Good morning, traders. Thank you so much for joining in for another pre-market video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to discuss about how the market is going to be behaving today and what are the key levels to look out for. Yesterday was a very eventful day. Even pros like me were not able to manage the kind of volatility that was there, but somehow we scraped through. Now, why is because the market was pretty much moving on a straight line for the last 3 days, and suddenly it decided to gap down on the time when we decided to carry an overnight position. So because of that overnight position, what had happened was it literally put us off the limit right now. So technically what we have decided going forward is that we are not going to take overnight positions on Wednesdays. Okay, so RLTR has decided overnight positions are not going to be taken on Wednesdays, because pretty much over here the entire data was strong and everything was strong, and Fed meeting which was scheduled for the night was not yet even there. So pretty much on this scenario we have decided that we will not be trading this. But apart from that, guys, this was a beautiful price action. See, just look at this W formation. Okay, breakout. And this is how simple, the movement was yesterday. All right. So buy on dip, and then just look at this higher highs. And let me just change it to the line chart. So just go to 10 minutes and just make it the line chart. It was as beautiful as any price action lover could have. Just look at this. Every dot gets connected. So pretty much, it was quite I would say it was a bad day for us, but however, it should not be a bad day today. So we have decided to go ahead and analyze this in detail and see where and what is going to happen. So the first thing is that we need to go to the daily chart and see what kind of a candle that it has made. Now, if we see it has made a candle which is inside the bigger bar. So now what happens is that it will try to squeeze itself. Now, if you just look into a line, it has made a peak. So any bullish move will now be above this peak. Okay. So once the peak is made, right now the index needs to come down, take a support somewhere, and then take this off. And over here is where we can go wild about the positions. So today I'm expecting this not to be a trending day, but however, if there is a breakout, guys, remember this, a breakout about 37,690. So 37,690. Okay. Once there is a breakout here, I'm going to go ahead, take a position for a target of 800 points. I mean, 38,800. So this would be my target. So this 300 points will be quite easily available. Now, why do you think so? Let me just go ahead and show this to you over here. So over here, there are a lot of calls that have been written over here on 37,500. So there is a high chance that if we are going to gap up or a little bit in the positive side, we can definitely break this, and there'll be a little bit of a short covering that we can take care of. All right. So SGX is also telling it is 34 points up. So I am seeing a positive opening. So that's the reason why I'm planning this. All right. But however, on the bottom side, if it is going to break 37,400, then there will be some action and it can go to 37,000. If it is breaking 37,500 over here, it is going to go to 38,000. So this is going to be the wide range that we are doing. So this is what I'm actually looking for today. Okay, so this is what I have in Bank Nifty, and pretty much in Nifty, let me just show it to you. Nifty also has the same peak here. Until it takes 17,928, it is not going to go up. Yesterday, the Nifty IT was very down, Pharma was down, and banks, somehow saved their face and they came up. Even Reliance was down. So pretty much what I'm thinking is that, at some time, once the results are in for ITs, it'll start recovering. So it might be today, Friday might be a very good day for them to reverse. So this is what I would be waiting for. Over here is where we are going to take a position, but on an intraday level. Okay, on an intraday level, let me just come back to 10 minutes. So on an intraday level, as soon as this swing is being taken out, that we have marked over here. Okay, the swing is at 17,786. So this swing, for an upside, I'll be looking for another 120 points. So this will actually come back very, very easily over here. So if 17,662 is being taken out, then I'll be looking for a previous swing which was over here for 17,500. So these are the two levels that I'll be looking forward for. There'll be 160 points, there'll be 120 points that will be available on both sides. And pretty much in Nifty, the OI doesn't say a lot many things, but I did understand the max pain. It did not give a bit of an idea over there as well. Still 18,000 is standing like a Mount Everest, and all the other call strikes as well. So 17,700 and below, we can sell it for 17,500, and 17,800 and above, we can look for an 18,000 target. So pretty much that is what is going to be the action for the day, and pretty much SGX is telling a little bit of a gap up opening. So please trade less, and I hope my levels help you make a lot of money. So with this, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Jai Hind. Love you all. We'll see you on the next video over the weekend. It would be a learning one. Bye bye for now.